Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Valorant account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Valorant application, and soon after you open it up, you will need to log in using your Riot Games account's credentials. In the sign-in page, go ahead and enter the username associated with your Riot Games account in the first text box. After you are done with it, go to the next field and type in your password for your Riot account. If you don't remember your password, click on this can't sign in option and follow through the prompts in order to look for your password. But if you remember your password, you can type it in exactly as it is inside your password box and then click on this arrow at the bottom. Once you are signed in, you will be able to see that you've successfully logged into your Valorant account. So that is how easy it is to log into Valorant. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.